Imagine every secret battle, every late-night struggle that seems impossible to win. What if I told you there's one Bible verse that has the power to stop the war in your heart, once and for all? No gimmicks, no moralizing, just one verse. You've tried resisting, you've tried distraction, but the temptations keep coming back. It's like they're winning. So stay with me, because this verse doesn't just help, it hits lust at the root, ultimately bringing real peace and freedom. Here it is, Matthew 5, verse 28. But I tell you that anyone who looks at a woman to lust after her has already committed adultery with her in his heart. This verse accepts that lust starts inside, not with actions, but with the heart's intention. It shows that the battle must be fought before it becomes a visible act. When Jesus taught this, he was showing us that lust is not just about what you do, it's about what you allow yourself to think. He says, once your heart turns toward forbidden desire, the sin is already there. That's powerful, because it means you have a starting point. Control your heart. Catch that first impulse. Don't entertain it. Here's how it can work in everyday life. 1. Watch your eyes and your mind. Don't let your gaze linger. When a thought surfaces, don't dive deeper. 2. Replace the thought quickly. Turn your mind to something pure or pray silently, like, Lord, help me keep my mind clean. 3. Remember that Jesus cares more about your inner life than just outward behavior. He wants purity that goes deeper than avoidance. It comes from transformation. And here's the life-changing truth. That verse isn't meant to condemn you. It's meant to show you the battlefield. It says, you can win before sin becomes action. When you obey this, you're not just avoiding wrong, you're cultivating a holy heart. Over time, lust loses its power because you're not fueling it. Real change happens inside. And this verse shows the pathway, which is heart-level holiness. So remember, Matthew 5 verse 28 is not just a warning, it's your key. When lust begins, act fast. Recognize the thought. Refuse to entertain it. Replace it with prayer or scripture. Do this daily. Very soon, the temptations grow weaker, because your heart changes. That's true victory. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more simple, powerful Bible teaching. Thanks for watching.